This is الدرس العشرون of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, the connectors. So we're in lesson 20 of the connectors, and this is drill 3, تمرين ثلاثة. In this drill, you're going to put together words into a sentence that are mixed up. Now, remember that drill 20 is a review lesson which reviews lessons 16 through 19. So you're going to use connectors from 16 through 19 here, but you do not need to add any additional words to create these sentences. You simply need to organize them in a way that makes sense. Now, I'm going to give you the English translation of each of these sentences, and then you will organize the words and write them out into an Arabic sentence. So in number 1, we have, he must not despair after failure. Number 2, he used to hate work, and it was not long until he resigned. ثلاثة, he used to hope to obtain the award. أربعة, it was expected that he will realize better results. خمسة, it wasn't long after the conquests started that Islam spread. Number 6, he fears that he will not succeed in the exam. سبعة, we know that the capital of Egypt is Cairo. ثمانية, as soon as the academic year finished, the students returned to their country. تسعة, she mentioned in her letter that she accepted the position at the university. عشرة, it had scarcely been a year when he returned to his country. أحد عشر, I know everything about her. She is an amazing student. اثنا عشر, you must help the poor in a manner that you don't make them feel any embarrassment. So, those translations should help you organize these sentences. But pay attention to how the connector is used in each of these sentences and how it's translated. مع السلامة.